Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Today we are going over the Harbor Freight Insta Savings that's going on from now through 6/4. This is going to be a really long sale. What we're going to do is we're going to go through this sale, and I'm going to tell you what's a good sale and what one's a skip, so let's get started. First off, we got a Predator 200 watt super lightweight foldable solar panel for $209.99, saving you $20. Not too bad of a deal on that one. Then we got a Badlands ZXR 2,500 pound ATV utility winch with a wire rope and wireless remote control. This one is going to be $79.99, only saving you 11% off. This is going to be one of those I'm going to say skip unless you need it, because our threshold is 15%, because a lot of times you can get coupons for 15% or higher. So this one, unless you need it, I'd skip it. Then we got the Jupiter 2,000 watt continuous 4,000 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter for $129.99, saving you $20. That seems like an alright deal. Then we got the Bauer 3-gallon 3 peak horsepower wet dry vacuum for $34.99, only saving you 12%. Once again, the same thing, it's under 15%. If you need it, get it. If not, I would hold off until you get a better deal on it. Starting off this row, we got the Avante handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $49.99, saving you 28% off. That is a good deal. Next up, we got the Hallmaster dual ball adjustable aluminum hitch, 6-inch drop, 6-inch rise for $119.99, saving you $20. That's an alright deal. Then we got the Pittsburgh. These will be a lifetime replacement wobble socket extension set 9-piece for $14.99, only saving you 11% off. This would be another one I would hold off to a better coupon unless you need it. Then we got the Yukon clear stacking bin large for $2.99, saving you 25% off. That is a good deal, and it's so clear you could barely even see it up here. Starting off this row, we got the Warrior 3/16, the 1 3/8 number 4 titanium step drill bit set. This one has got the 12-step and the number 511 step for $17.99, only saving you 10% off. Man, they got some crappy deals going on this month with these. Actually, it's going to be more than a month. This is a long sale. Then we got the Gordon fold-in lock blade utility knife for $4.99, 28% off. This is a good deal. Normally I tell you don't buy Gordon knives, but this razor, I would make an exception to it. Their knives suck, but the razor, this one could be pretty good. I've never tried it, but to me, there's nothing that could really fail on this one like on their regular knives. Then we got the Kenway 12-volt LED trailer light kit for $37.99, but once again, 5% off. Man, these sales are sucking this time. Then we got Pittsburgh lifetime replacement SAE and metric long reach hex key set 36 piece, $6.99, 30% off. Now that is a good deal. Great time to snag those. Starting off this row, we got the 25-foot 4,000 psi kink resistant pressure washer hose for $22.99, saving you 14% off right at our threshold. Once again, if you need it, get it. If not, wait. Then we got the Predator 5.5 horsepower 173cc OHV vertical shaft gas engine for $199.99, saving you $30. Not a bad deal on that. Then on this next one, we've got a 12-foot by 20-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12mm tarp, $37.99, right at our threshold of 15% off. Then we got the Hallmaster 500 pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie down 4-pack, $10.99 at 31% off. That is a good deal. Starting off this row, we got the Voyager 12-inch tool bag with 21-inch pockets for $4.99, saving you 30% off. That is a great deal on that. Then we got the Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit 9-piece for $5.99, 14% off, right at our cutoff at 15. Once again, if you need it, get it. If not, wait for a better deal on it. Then we got the Grant's Extreme foaming spray gun for $19.99, only 9% off. That's another crappy deal. Then we got the Franklin 40-inch by 50-inch moving blanket for $379, 24% off. That is a good deal. I picked one of these up. I don't know if it was this size one. It might be a little bit smaller, but when they had them for free, and I like laying them on the concrete in the garage when I'm doing oil changes and stuff like that, makes it a lot more comfortable, and if it's cold outside, it'll keep that cold from the concrete off of you. Starting off this row, we got Pittsburgh half-inch drive Starbit socket set, 9-piece for $9.89, 23% off. That is a great deal, and those will have a lifetime replacement. Then we got the Warrior SDS Max type masonry chisel bit set, 3-piece, $39.99, but once again, a crappy 6% off. Then we got a Midwest can, small gas can, $16.49, and a crappy 8% off. I would skip both of these. Then we got the Storehouse hose clamp assortment, 40-piece, $5.99, right at our threshold again of 14% off. Starting off this row, we got the Thunderbolt Solar 100-watt solar panel. This one's going to be $94.99, saving you $25. That's a decent deal. Then we got the Merlin Premium Air Compressor Accessory Kit, 20-piece, $18.99, 17% off. That's a decent deal. Then we got the Grants Power Drill Brush Detailing Kit, 5-piece, $8.99, but a crappy 10% off. I would skip that. Then we got the Betsy flag, made in the USA, 3-foot by 5-foot, embroidered American flag, $16.99, 15% off. This is what I'll say about this flag. I would get this one because it's made in the USA. They carry a lot of flags there that are not made in the USA, and I'm a true believer. If you're going to buy our flag, buy one that's made in the USA. Starting off this row, we got a Warrior 1 1/8 inch to a 3/4 inch number 1 titanium step drill bit set, 13 steps, and then we got the number 2 6 steps and the number 3 9 steps, $9.99, saving you 28% off. That is a great deal. Then we got a Pittsburgh 6-inch quick release bar and clamp, $3.29 at a crappy 5% off. That is horrible. Then we got a Quinn, and these should be a lifetime replacement on these. 3/4 inch drive deep impact sockets for $69.99, but a crappy 12% off. I would skip those until there's a better deal unless you need them. Then we got the Peg style SAE socket tray 3-piece in these 3 colors, $19.99, saving you 20% off. That's a good deal, but I think these suck. I would say go to Amazon and find something else at a cheaper price. Starting off this row, we got a Chicago Electric Power Tool 4-inch biscuit planer and joiner. This is going to be $49.99, but once again, a crappy 9% off. Then we got a new product here from Titanium. We got the welding gloves, large, $8.99 at 25% off. That's a good deal. Then we got more Storehouse large hose clamp assortment, 20-piece, $5.99, 14% off. Once again, right at our threshold, but I'd probably snag them up if I needed them. Then we got the Hardy full grain cowhide leather work gloves, $5.49, 21% off. That is a decent deal. Next up here, we got the Quinn half-inch drive low profile impact socket set, and it does have 2 options, which means standard or metric, for $29.99, saving you 14% off right at the threshold. I would snag these if you missed the last deal on it. I think the last deal was 30, 35% off, 40%, one of those deals. I picked them up during that deal, but if you missed it, now's the time to get them on sale. Then we got a 6-foot by 8-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12mm tarp for $7.99, 20% off. Then we got the Grants microfiber cleaning cloths, 12-inch by 12-inch 4-pack, $2.99, saving you 25% off. That is a good deal. I picked these up when they were a free item for a free gift, and I have switched over to these Grants now. I used to buy my microfibers at Walmart. I am now getting them when they're on sale at Harbor Freight. Then the last thing in this row, we got the Merlin 1/4 inch by 100-foot polyurethane air hose, 1/4 inch NPT fittings, $34.99, 22% off. That's a good deal. And now we got some consumables, and this is the time to get them. The Bauer 4.5 inch by 1/16 inch by 1/8 inch type 01/41 masonry cutoff wheels, 10-pack. That is going to be $5.99, 25% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the Storehouse portable storage case, $4.99, 28% off. That's another good deal. Then next up, we got the Storehouse V-shape hang-all, $2.29, 23% off. That is a great deal for that. And last week in this row, we got the Franklin one-step folding stool black. This is $6.49, saving you 18% off, and that's a decent deal. Starting off this row, we got another good consumable here. We got the Bauer T-Shank general purpose jig saw blade set, 30-piece for $11.99, 20% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the Ranger light duty foam knee pads for your wife or girlfriend for $2.99, 25% off. That is a great deal for her on that. Then we got the Cover Pro peel and stick zipper. This is going to be $5.99. It's at our cutoff of 14%, so if you need them, get them. If not, skip it. Then we got the Ranger reusable silicone earplugs 50 pack, $6.39, saving you 20% off. That is a good deal. Now we got a Hercules starting off this row. We got the 2.4 amp orbital quarter sheet sander with soft start, $39.99, but it's only 11% off. That's a little disappointing. Then we got the Maddox mini fuel injector style hose clamp kit, 40 piece for $5.99, 14% off, right at our threshold. Then we got the Hallmaster 3,300 pound capacity, 2-inch by 27 foot ratcheting tie down. This is going to be $13.99, 22% off. That is a good deal. And then finally in this row, we got the Gumout 16 ounce jet spray carbon choke and parts cleaner for $5.49, 21% off. That is a good deal for a consumable that you might need or go through a lot of, like I do sometimes. Starting off this row, we got the Lucas Oil 5.25 ounce fuel treatment for $4.49, only 10% off though, not a great deal. Then we got the WD-40 2.75 ounce multi-use lubricant right at our threshold, $4.49 at 15% off. I would snag that up. And then finally, we got the US General metric socket set here in these three colors, $19.99 also, 20% off. Like I said, find a better setup on Amazon. And there you have it. There's the Insta savings going on from now to 6/4. This is a long sale, but to me, I gotta say, I'm quite disappointed. There's some crappy percentages off in this. Leave a comment down below on what you think, and is there anything that you're going to pick up during this sale. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount code to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.